modern version of cannon is still used by Indian Army today. This is the naval ship. The Naval Fleet of India dates back 6,000 years to the Indus Valley civilization. The Indian Navy is the world's seventh most powerful marine force. This is a fighter plane. The Indian Air Force was established in 1932. Today, Indian Air Force is the fourth largest air force in the world. Thank you. Hope you like it.
सब 1 फुट का
The Battle of Panipat.
हाँ जी सर ऊपर
Better
कलर पूरा
modern version of cannon is still used by India's seventh most marine force today. This is a fighter plane. Indian Air Force was established in 1932. Today, Indian Air Force is the world's fourth largest Indian Air Force. Thank you.
हमारे ग्रंथों में लाखों वर्षों पूर्व धरती और सूर्य की दूरी के बारे में बता दिया गया था। तारों की भाषा भारत ने ही दुनिया को सिखाई है। भारत चंद्रयान द्वारा 4 बार अपना तिरंगा चांद पर लहरा चुका है और अब सूर्य तक जाने की तैयारी कर रहा है। चंद्रयान 2 में विक्रम लैंडर भी शामिल था। इसका मिशन चांद की संरचना में अंतर के साथ साथ
Step 1.
Dr. Mukul Maheju sir and Director Mrs. Rajna ma'am. I would also like to welcome Director Rajpur Road 2 branch, Ms. Madhuri Bhatia and Director of Basant Vihar branch, Mrs. Nandita Singh. A very warm welcome to you all. Invited guests and parents. I would request Divya ma'am and Deepti ma'am to please welcome our honorable guests. I would like to request Deepti ma'am to please share the annual report of the Polykids.
Good morning everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and I'd really like to welcome you all. I hope you all are excited for the program. Yes. Wow, that is so nice and these tiny tots are really excited too. So ladies and gentlemen, before moving further, I would like to share the annual report of the Polykids School with you all. I feel elated to present to you the annual report of our school. In the brief 18 years of its existence, the Polykids has established 30 plus branches in 8 states. There has been a growth of 100% during the last year. Last year has been very exciting and rewarding for the school. To give a list of activities done during the year, we celebrated all religious festivals so that our students get a cultural knowledge about the festivals such as Holi, Baisakhi, Eid, Janmashtami, Gurpurab, Dussehra, Diwali and Christmas. National festivals of Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day and Independence Day were also celebrated with great enthusiasm. Special days like Mother's Day and Grandparents' Day was celebrated in schools and all mothers and grandparents had a memorable time. Our students are participating in international level Crest Olympiad 23 and Green Warrior Olympiad 23, which will be held in the month of December and January. National level competitions of Schools India 23 was recently held in the school. The result of the Schools India competition is still awaited. The school went for educational tours to police station, hospital, grocery shop, mall, bank, ATM and many religious places. The students really enjoyed their trip to Hamleys. It is a matter of pride for us that students from the Polykids are much sought after by all the prestigious schools of Dehradun like St. Joseph, CJM, DIS, St. Jude's, Summer Valley, etc. Some of the renowned awards won by the Polykids are as follows. 22. 2022, the Global Education Award 22 for Emerging Preschool Chain of the Year, Jury's Choice at Jaipur. 2022, Bharatiya Gyan Ratna Award for Best Preschool Chain at Pune. India's top 20 preschools ranked number 1 in Dehradun and Uttarakhand, ranked number 7 in India by Education Today at Bangalore. 2022, India's top 50 preschools ranked number 1 in Dehradun and Uttarakhand, ranked number 7 in India by Education Today at Bangalore. 2022 Uttarakhand Icon Award by Discover Uttarakhand Magazine at Dehradun. Global Education Award 22 for Top 10 Preschool Chain of the Year at Jaipur. We are happy to share with you all that the chairman, Sir Captain Mukul Mahendru, was among 30 prominent educationists of India to visit and study Finland education system. He visited many schools and the University of Helsinki during his visit. We are proud that the Polykids is present in 8 states and in 30 plus branches. Very shortly, we are coming up with 3 more branches in Balawala, Raipur, Raiwala and Rajpur areas. I think we deserve a clap for that. This is all because of your blessings, parents, your support and your cooperation always. On behalf of the Polykids, I would like to thank each one of you for your consistent support, feedback that enables us to reach the greater heights. Thank you so much, dear parents. Now, before moving further, I request Divya ma'am to please welcome our special guest, Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia, for coming here for today's event. From Dr. Abdul MRI. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for coming and gracing today's occasion. Thank you so much. Now, Samiksha ma'am and Avneet ma'am will take you further towards Itihas Rang Bharat.
Thank you, Deepti ma'am, for such a wonderful report. It was delightful to hear what our Polykids is doing. Now, invited guests and parents, a pleasant morning to you all. Reach high for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads to the goal. Today is a special and memorable occasion, one that we will remember in the year ahead. May the excitement of today enthuse you, may its enchantment surrounds you, and may it create happy memories and smiling magical moments. We are the Polykids Dalanwala, who on behalf of the management, staff and students, full of engaging elation and soul-filled musical redemption, are here to welcome you all to this Itihas Rang Bharat Ka. Dear parents, your goodwill, appreciation, motivation, support and positive vibration has a great impact in molding ourselves for the integral dimensions of the growth of this great institution. The Polykids, your esteemed presence amidst us today makes us feel proud. मंगल कर्णन विघ्न हरन करें आपका ध्यान, प्रथम आरती आपको हो पूर्ण वरदान। त्योहार किसी भी धर्म के हों प्यार सिखाते हैं, ये पर्व सभी को मेल जोल का पाठ पढ़ाते हैं। गंगा जमुना संस्कृति का कौन है दुश्मन यहाँ, सच्चे दिल से आज चलो हम हाथ मिलाते हैं। होली हो या दिवाली या हो क्रिसमस या ईद, हम सारे त्योहारों को मिलकर सदा मनाते हैं। इन्हीं त्योहारों से हमारे भारत के रंग मनाते हैं। Festivals are very important. They make us forget our cultural and religious differences. They unite people and they come together for the sole purpose of celebration and happiness. Other than that, festivals also help us to embrace our culture and religion. They are very helpful in breaking the monotony of life. Today, the Polykid family feels immense pleasure to celebrate with you all the festival of our country. This extraordinary event will mark the milestone and lots of cherishing memories for everyone present here.
Rang Bharat Ki,
मेरा भारत कुछ ऐसा है जहाँ ना नफरतों का रंग हो, आपसी प्रेम और दिल में कुछ भरने की उमंग हो। जहाँ भी जाएं सब संग संग हो, सब पर मोहब्बतों के रंग हो। हमारे देश की खूबसूरती हमारे त्योहार है। जैसे कि हम विभिन्न त्योहार मनाते हैं, हम स्थायी यादें बनाते हैं और परंपराओं को भावी पीढ़ियों तक पहुंचाते हैं। ये हमारी जड़ों से जुड़ने में हमारी मदद करते हैं। ये हमारे भारत के रंग हैं। आइए आज इन्हीं रंगों को मनाते हैं और आपको कुछ ऐसे त्योहारों से रूबरू करवाते हैं जिन्हें आपने सुना होगा लेकिन महसूस नहीं किया होगा।
जय गणपति सद्गुण सदन कविवर बदन कृपाल, विघ्न हरनन मंगल करनन, जय जय गिरजालाल। The festival Ganesh Chaturthi celebrates Ganesh as both status and as well as the god of wisdom and intelligence, and is observed throughout the India, especially in the state of Maharashtra. The celebration began under the rule of Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji and expanded among the Peshwas. This festival is an integral part of the tradition and culture of India.
Dear audience, the wait is over as our little rock stars of Class 1 Rajpuro 2 branch are coming on stage to celebrate Ganesh Utsav with us. So, let's all together stand, Om Gas Ganpatai Namah, and the name of the participants are as follows: Aradhya Kadwal, Amira Jambal, Ditya Verma, Vamika Bishnoi, Rudra Sharma, Raghav Negi, Ishan Yadav. Now, Medansh Nair will speak something. Speak, Veda.
आमची मुंबई. Maharashtra is the one of the largest state in India. It is famous for its culture and beauty. Ganesh is the most famous festival of Maharashtra.
pleasure to welcome Mrs. Savita Kapoor, MLA from Dehradun Cantonment Assembly, wife of late Shri Harbans Kapoor, whose name is enough to remind us his genuine efforts towards our society. He has been elected from Dehradun Cantonment seat continuously for 8 times. Carrying his legacy, Mrs. Savita Kapoor registered a historic win 9th time in the elections. She has been dedicatedly working towards women empowerment in her province. Her husband's dream to build a mini stadium and a degree college in Premnagar is a goal, as these constructions will create platform for the youth to the state to excel in sports as well as academics. We, the Polykids family, feel gratitude to have Mrs. Savita Kapoor as a guest of honor for today's incredible evening. I would also like to welcome Kuldeep Sir, Director, Premnagar Branch.
Now, I request our Chairman Sir, Captain Mukul Mehru, Director Ma'am, Ms. Ranjana Mehru, and esteemed guests to light the lamp and mark the beginning of today's program.
I would like to request Mrs. Savita Kapoor Ma'am, Director, Rajpur Road 2 Branch, and Director, Vasant Vihar Branch, please come forward to light the lamp. Dr. Mrs. Harish Bhatia and Ma'am, Mrs. Bhatia, please ma'am.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this evening a blessed one, we invoke Goddess Saraswati by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. A sincere thank you for honoring the occasion of lighting the lamp, everyone.
I hope you all are geared up for the next performance because it will have a lot of excitement for you all because we'll celebrate Punjab here. Balle balle! Can we have balle balle from everybody? Yeah. Baisakhi marks the formation of Khalsa Panth under Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji and is also the start of new 6th year. It marks the start of the harvest season in North India, especially Punjab. India is an agricultural country and the thinking of the thanksgiving for a good harvest is a vital reason to celebrate this festival. When the winter clouds drifts away and the fields indicates the need for renewal, it marks the start of harvest festival. Baisakhi. It is the time when most popular Bhangra dance is performed in celebration. The feel of this festival can be expressed with these lines beautifully. Aayi Baisakhi, muk gayi kankan di rakhi, aayi Baisakhi.
Wow, Baisakhi is coming and we all are ready for some Bhangra Shangra for our little Punjabis as they are coming to bang the stage. Avneet ma'am, ho dasso ki हाल चाल
सब चंगा गुरु दी कृपा
फिर की तैयारियां कीतियां बैसाखी दियां
गिद्धे ते भंगड़े शान पंजाबियां दी मक्की दी रोटी ते सरसों दा साग आन पंजाबियां दी तो मंदे हो सारे सारे मंदे हो
तो चलो फिर रल मिल के मनाएं शान पंजाबिया दी। Our cute little Punjabis and Punjabans are coming to bang the stage on song Main Nikla Gaddi Leke. The participants are as follows: Athar Gulati, Kian Naini, Jainal Singh, Harsh Chawaliya, Shivan Chauhan, Shairil Thapa, Kawajal Chaudhary, Anaya Saxena, Anayika Wadhwa, Jasmeer Kaur, Krishti Sharma, Riddhi Podar, Kaira Thapa, Anaya Rawat, Ekamjot Singh. They are from pre-nursery Premnagar branch. Now I am giving the mic to Vamika. She will speak few lines.
Shaba, shaba, shaba. Punjab. Punjab is the land of fine figures. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. The language of Punjab is Punjabi. Punjab is famous for its rich culture, heritage, traditional music, dance and delicious food. Baisakhi is the famous festival of Punjab. Thank you.
Good.
I hope you all are enjoying the program. जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही कहा था, भांगड़ा सबको इनलाइट कर देगा, सबकी एनर्जी बाहर आ जाएगी. And I would request you all to please clap with a little tiny tot. They feel good when we all clap and appreciate them. Thank you so much. चलिए नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम के लिए रेडी हो जाए. Excited? Okay. Now we'll talk about our own उत्तराखंड, जहाँ हम रहते हैं. यहाँ की बात करनी थोड़ी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाती है. Where people are simple, innocent and hardworking. That is our Uttarakhand, right? We are hardworking. Thank you all for that. Uttarakhand is undoubtedly India's most beautiful canvas. It has a wonderful culture and traditional heritage that has been followed for centuries. The Jaunsari are a small community found in Uttarakhand, northern India, more specifically in the Jaunsar Bawar region of the western portion of the state in Garhwal division.
Now, let's enjoy the beautiful Garhwali dance by our little Pahadis and Pahadans presented by class Nursery Sunshine of Dalanwala branch. The name of the participants are as follows: Arnika Verma, Adhiraj Aswal, Anpi Nerwal, Anaya Negi, Aditya Chaudhary, Anusha Rawat, Aditya Singh, Arpika Bhatt, Aradhya Pawar, Anshul Bish, Dhanjay Dhawan, Rishika Rathod, Kabir, Prapti Bish, Sanvi Nerwal, Shreya Shukla, Shaish Sharma, Swastik Shahi, Shailja Yadav, Yuvan Siroli.
Uttarakhand is also called Devbhoomi. Uttarakhand is known for the natural environment of the Himalayas. Its capital is Dehradun. It is also famous for its temples. This Taki Doli is famous to celebrate in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also called Devbhoomi. Thank you.